English Lesson, Episode 9, with me, Teacher Sebla. Welcome everyone. Our lesson for the day is the O with silent E and OW sound, as in O's, or O. Listen, repeat, and write. Rose, rose. Nose, nose. Hose, hose. Pose, pose. Let's recap. Rose, nose, hose, pose. Rose, nose, hose, pose. Core, core. Saw, saw. Tall, tall. Snore, snore. And to recap, core, saw, tall, snore. Core, saw, tall, snore. Mow, mow. Low, low. Snow, snow. Glow, glow. Mow, low, snow, glow. Mow, low, snow, glow. Bow, bow. Row, row. Crow, crow. This one is a bit tricky. Throw, throw. And to recap, bow, row, crow, throw. Bow, row, crow, throw. Activity time. Now it's your turn. Look at the image and write the word down. What could this be? An apple that's eaten to its core. Well done. This little girl is rubbing her back. Seems like it's sore. Looks like this paper is torn, tore. This poor woman can't seem to sleep because the man next to her is snore. Yes, he's snoring. This is a rose. This must be something we breathe through, which is a nose. We use this in the garden, a hose. What's the duck doing? It's giving a pose. What's this pink bow? What do you do when you're in a boat? You row. This black bird must be a crow. What's this child doing? It's throwing a ball. Well done. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson.